Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into something powerful, practical, and quietly transformative: how to use HubSpot CRM. If you've ever felt buried under spreadsheets, lost in email threads, or surrounded by sticky notes that whisper confusion, you're in the right place. HubSpot CRM brings order to the noise. It's clean, structured, intentional, like opening a window in a room that finally breathes. HubSpot CRM helps you track contacts, manage deals, and organize communication all in one place. Everything connects: timelines, tasks, notes, activity, smooth, aligned, quietly efficient. Let's walk through a few simple steps. First, to import your contacts, click Contacts in the top navigation menu. Choose your file, follow the prompts, and click Finish Import. Just like that, your list appears, profiles forming, data settling into place. Second, to set up your deal pipeline, click Sales in the main menu, then click Deals. On the top right, click Create Deal. Enter the deal name, select the pipeline stage, and click Create. You can drag and drop deals between stages: movement, progress, momentum. Third, for email tracking, click Settings, then navigate to General, Email, and connect your inbox. Once connected, simply check the tracking box before sending an email. Subtle notification, precise timing. And that's the rhythm of it. Click, organize, breathe. HubSpot CRM turns scattered effort into focused growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.